First thing a farmer sets in his garden?
Know what?
His foot!
Very funny. Come on, Bobby. Let's take a closer look at Farmer Fred's plants. I'm just curious to see if I can figure out what they are.
You wouldn't know a pumpkin from a blueberry.
Says who?
Says me. You're no farmer, so why all the sudden interest in what's growing in the farmer's garden patch?
I'll have you know that I like plants, and it just so happens that I am doing a science project right now with bean plants. Jumpin' bean sprouts. That's exactly what these plants are. Beans.